In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to declutter your store, improve performance, or simply get rid of apps you no longer use, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start at the Shopify homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings to access all your store's inner workings. The settings can usually be found in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will open up a new menu with a variety of options. This is where you manage general store information, user accounts, and the crucial part for today, apps. Once you've opened the settings menu, the next step is to find the option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. This is your hub for managing all the third-party services and tools that you've integrated into your store. Click on this option to view a list of all the apps currently installed on your Shopify store. As you look through the list, identify the app you want to remove. It's a good habit to double-check that you're selecting the correct app, as uninstalling it will remove all its functionalities and potentially linked data. Once you've decided on the app to delete, look for three little dots, commonly referred to as the ellipses, often located at the right of the app's name or description. Clicking these dots will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, you'll find the uninstall option. This is where the action happens. Select this to proceed with the removal. Before you confirm the uninstallation, Shopify might prompt you with a confirmation message. This is your last chance to change your mind, so ensure you're ready to uninstall. Some apps might ask you for feedback on why you're uninstalling, which is entirely optional, but can be helpful for developers to improve their services. After you've clicked uninstall, you should notice the app disappearing from your list. However, to complete the process, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. The Save button is often located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking Save ensures that your actions are recorded and the app is properly removed from your store's integrations. And that's it. You've successfully removed an app from your Shopify store. Remember, keeping your app list up to date not only helps in maintaining your store's performance, but also ensures that you're not paying for unnecessary tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out Shopify's support resources for more detailed information. Happy selling!